Now, if you're not already familiar, there are different negative keyword match types that you can use to exclude people from clicking on your ads for various different search terms. Now, there's three different match types that can be used in Google Ads. You have phrase match, exact match, and broad match. There's a nice little article on the Google Ads help website that explains this in more detail. So, start with exact match. It's basically going to be the tightest targeting. So it's going to show, it's really going to target keywords that are the same meaning as your keyword. So if your keyword is furniture store, home furnishing shop is similar enough in meaning that it would consider that to be the same or similar enough that it would target that keyword from this keyword. So like a keyword can cause your ads to show up and get clicks on multiple different search terms, right? So a keyword is in Google Ads is really just a way to target a group of search terms. And so with exact match, you're only going to be really targeting very closely related terms. Phrase match is going to be a little bit more broad. So it's going to be any searches that include the meaning of your keyword. So in this example, it's cheap furniture stores, which is going to be very similar to living room furniture deals, which is going to be similar to what store is the best place to find a bedroom dresser. And then broad match is just really, really broad. So home decor, which would be similar to like cream colored leather sectional, right? So very broad. Typically, these two, exact match and phrase match, are going to get you the results you want, at least with negative keywords. It's a little bit different when we're talking about actual keywords. So if we go over to a campaign, you can see I have a campaign selected right here. And then this drop down, audiences, keywords, and content. You're going to see this search keywords option. If you click that, that's going to show you the actual keywords in your campaign. Of course, you can break it down by ad group if you want as well. But we're just looking at all the keywords in this campaign. And then at the top here, there's a little navigation over to negative search keywords. And here you can see that we have included stuff like California, California closets, both in phrase match right here. And then we've done one in exact match. So the way that this kind of works is if there is a very specific keyword that people are clicking on and on your ads basically, which you can find over here in the insights and reports. If you click on search terms, just go ahead and open this in a new tab. So from the search terms section here, these are the actual terms people are clicking on when they see our ad on Google Ads, which is different from the actual keywords we were looking at back here. So like I was saying before, phrase match, custom closets, that will allow your ads to show up when somebody searches for custom closets or something more broad like custom closet builders in Phoenix, right? So, or something similar. So if we go over here to the search terms, we can see, let's find a phrase match keyword. So, well, this one's actually matching identically to the phrase match keyword. Some of these are more like broad match. So Phoenix closets, which is showing up as, well, it's actually a phrase match. Doesn't really matter, but you can see that this keyword, Phoenix closets, in a phrase or broad match can cause you to get clicks for something like California closets Phoenix. California Closets is a company that does custom closets. We don't really want our ads to show up and get clicks from somebody who's searching for a competitor because, that competitor may have already booked the job and they are, late to show up to do the install. And so this customer is doing a search on Google Ads to find this company so they can give them a call and complain that that company is late to do the install. And if they click on your ad and call you and they're like, hey, why aren't you here yet? You're going to be like, who are you? Right? Like, I don't even know who you are, dude. So to prevent the ads from showing on this search term, what we've done here is come over to the negative keywords. So again, we're in the search keywords section and we go over to negative keywords. And we've added in this exact match negative keyword, which is basically going to prevent anyone from searching this keyword and having your ad show up and get a click. Now, we want to remove that because we know that keyword is getting clicks and eating up the budget, and it's not a good keyword. However, this wouldn't prevent any, like, all future searches that contain California closets. So what we've done is we added a phrase match negative keyword for California and for California closets, which should prevent pretty much all of the searches where people are looking for that company, California closets, whether it's like, helpline for California closets, or support phone number for California closets, or how do I contact California closets. By adding a couple of phrase match negative keywords, we can eliminate a majority of the clicks that would come through from those competitor terms, and we can add in this exact match keyword to prevent this exact keyword from firing our ads, because we know that it's already getting clicks. It got 52 clicks, spent quite a bit of budget on that before, probably should have removed this. This is an old account that we just kind of used as an example, but this should have probably been removed far before it was at 52 clicks and it spent $460. But that's kind of the idea, right? You can use the different match types, so combining exact match with phrase match, in order to prevent your ads from showing on various search terms that are going to be just a waste of your budget. I think another one in here was IKEA, or like DIY. So IKEA, DIY. If somebody's searching for IKEA custom closets, they're probably not going to hire a company and spend tens of thousands of dollars in order to get a custom closet, right? Plus, they've already kind of decided that they want IKEA stuff. And so we can come in and we can add in, we've done it with Costco, DIY. I'm sure IKEA is probably in here somewhere. So here's a phrase match for IKEA, which is basically going to prevent the ads from showing up anytime somebody does a search related to IKEA. So that's kind of the idea here, is you can get rid of very specific searches and clicks on your ads from those searches, and then you can also do it on a more broad scale, which helps prevent you from having to go through this list of negative keywords, constantly removing variations like California closets near me, or California closets help support phone number, right? Just really makes your job a lot easier to use those various match types. We tend to not use broad match as much because sometimes it can prevent your ads from showing up on keywords that would actually get you good results because it is so broad. And so typically we're just sticking to using phrase match and exact match for the negative keywords based on what we're seeing from the search terms in the campaign. So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out and just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.